Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Pluto TV and create an account, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Pluto TV website or download the Pluto TV app from the App Store, Google Play Store, or your smart TV's App Store. Pluto TV is completely free. Step 2. Understand that you can watch Pluto TV without creating an account. However, signing up allows you to favorite channels and customize your viewing experience. Step 3. Browse the available content if you want to explore before creating an account. Pluto TV offers hundreds of live TV channels and thousands of on-demand movies and shows. Step 4. Click on the Sign Up or Create Account button, typically found in the top right corner of the website or in the app menu. Step 5. Choose your sign-up method. You can register using your email address or sign up with existing accounts from Facebook or Google for faster registration. Step 6. If signing up with email, provide your email address and create a secure password for your Pluto TV account. Step 7. Verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. This ensures your account is properly activated. Step 8. Complete your profile setup by entering any additional requested information, such as your zip code to receive localized content and news channels. Step 9. Customize your channel guide by favoriting your preferred channels. Click the star icon next to channels you want quick access to in your personalized guide. Step 10. Start watching immediately. Browse through live TV channels organized by category like news, sports, entertainment, and movies, or explore the on-demand library. Your preferences and favorites will sync across all devices where you're logged in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.